Okay, so today we're going to take a look at how to replace the standard start relay on a refrigeration unit. This is like the starter and the power relay section. It's right next to the black compressor dome. This is, it doesn't matter which refrigeration deck this is, there's different kinds, but they all have this kind of standard section here. You know, it's where your power cable originally leads to. So you're going to want to completely remove this whole section. And then what we're going to send you is one of these 3-in-1 starters. Okay, they're universal starters, and once you replace or once you remove that whole section there, the whole starter section on the refrigeration unit, you're going to be left with this here. It has 3 prongs, 1, 2, 3, and then you'll have, you know, your power cable. We're just using this white one as an example, but it's just the same as that black one for all intents and purposes. All right. Now, what you're going to do is when you have your starter relay, you're going to take your 2 black wires there, and it'll come with 2 wire nuts. And you're going to have a couple wires, 2 black wires on this main starter that don't have leads on them. So you can't really do it wrong. Just hook up these 2 black ones to your power, as he's doing there, and then you're going to wire cap them. And we would also recommend, it's very important, get some black electrical tape and wrap around those caps, you know, to make sure that stays on there solid. Because if one of those come off and it touches the metal base on your deck, you know, it's going to short it out. So yeah, wire cap the 2 black leads to the 2 black leads on your power cable. In this case, we have white, you know, a white power cable. It doesn't matter. There's 2 for power, and that's what you use. Then you'll have this red, white, and black one here with the little metal leads on it. Okay, now if you go ahead and you look at the instruction guide, which this isn't going to come up so well on camera, just because of the lighting in the warehouse, but it'll tell you you have a common at top, then you have a start and a run. And it'll also, you know, so basically just to walk you through, the white is your start and the red is your run. So you're basically going to come here when you have your triad, you're going to do black at the top, white at the left, and red on the right. So we'll let him do that now. Okay, so as you can see there, you got your black one there on the top, your white here's on the left, and your red one's on the right. So pretty much you're going to have this kind of triangle pattern for your probes that come off the compressor. So just make sure you look at the instructions. It shows which color cables go to where, and link that together. So you got your 3 probes hooked up. You have your black power cable here wired in, and just again, don't forget to actually go ahead and use some electrical tape and just tape that on there real good so it can't come loose. And then, how would you recommend mounting this on here, Sam? Just kind of zip tie it on?
Yeah, just grab a couple zip ties and tie it around there so it isn't falling around.
Yeah, yeah. So there's, you know, there's some room on most of these. They'll have like a little hole here where you can, you know, zip tie that thing on. This package does not come with zip tie, so that's probably the only thing I would recommend bringing with you, other than like, you know, your standard tools and stuff. All right, we thank you for choosing Global Vending Group. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.